Most people add wheel spacers to accommodate larger tires. Without them, larger tire was originally installed will often rub against fenders, usually while the vehicle is turning or on the suspension components. Pushing the tires out helps mitigate the rubbing.
The safety of Land Rover Defender wheel spacers largely depend on their quality, fitting, and installation. If they are of low quality, improper fitted, or installed incorrectly, problems can arise while driving. So the wheel spacer installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the rim hub holes. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts and lift the vehicle. Place jack stands underneath for added safety. Step 2. Clean the wheel hub. Step 3. Place the BONOSS Hub-Centric wheel spacers to the hub. BONOSS introduces a global patented active cooling design. Feature unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance, a significant advantage for track day enthusiasts. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Step 4. Reinstall the wheel. Put the wheel back onto the hub and secure it with the lug nuts. Step 5. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Step 6. Lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts again. Choosing the right wheel spacer is essential for both aesthetics and performance. By following these guidelines and opting for BONOSS multi-stage Hub-Centric spacers, you ensure a safe, vibration-free, and durable upgrade.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comment. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.